awesome spot. Right, let's go look for more animals. Let's start making our way out of here. Oh, the other thing was, first video obviously is my first video, was really scared about everything and uncomfortable in front of a camera. I don't think I am going to be comfortable in a long time, but I'm getting better. I think the way I talk is terrible. I keep mumbling and stumbling and on words and stuff. But the biggest thing that I've taken out of the first trip was my camera. I had nowhere to rest it, especially in a game reserve where you can't get out your vehicle. So I've invested in a beanbag. I've got a very big beanbag, so I don't know if it's the right beanbag, but I definitely am getting more stable shots on here. So hopefully things can just get a bit better. That first video was a learning curve for me, the one in Tala, but I think I'll hopefully just get better. The big thing for me actually is nerves is really a big issue for me, and my biggest issue is actually I do have a drone, but I've crashed that drone 3 or 4 times already, and I've had to buy new sets of blades, you know, and the problem is I can't really get more blades. It's a Gopro drone. If those blades get damaged again, I might not be able to use it again. So I'm very hesitant to use my drone, but I've got to suck it up and start using the damn thing, I suppose. But I think I need to do it in a place where there's no trees, not much grass, not much anything. Maybe a big soccer field. Okay, I've got to hone my skills in that. I think the last time I crashed it, I was flying over Eland, and for some reason I pressed the wrong button and it decided to land right there. Wasn't the cleverest thing. The problem with this, what happens in this head, is not always there. So I'm so scared of doing that again. Right, well, I will get the courage hopefully at some stage and do it. But right now, I'm starting to get more comfortable talking to nobody, or you guys. But yeah, we'll get there. I hope I'm sounding better. I hope I'm not mumbling as well. So I'm trying to think a hell of a lot more when I'm talking. And these awkward pauses are probably also a problem. I'm going to stop doing. Anyways, let's get going. Car's looking awesome. I love it when it gets dirty like this. I think at some stage I need to do a walkthrough on her. That'll be awesome. Alright, let's go. Another car's coming.